Today, new parts arrived for my Infraction 3S. Welcome to StreetSpecRC. I'm already done with the rear, so I'm going to focus on the front differential. I'll start by removing the front bumper. Then I'll disconnect the front shocks and the camber links. Out drives needs to be disconnected so we can access the differential holders. Next is to gently pry out the bearings. Then remove the 4 screws to open up the gear differential. Bearings of the input gear are hard to remove, so I'm going to use a bearing puller. On the last bearing, I need to create some clearance for the bearing puller. Now for the new parts. This is the CNC metal input gear. It's very well made and the bearings just slots in without any resistance. However, it also needs this composite diff housing. It comes with its countersunk screws, which will secure the CNC ground gear. Lastly, a new differential gasket for the housing. First, install the O-ring. Then place the internal gears correctly. Then fill it up with differential oil. In this case, I'm just using a light diff oil. Also put the O-ring on the cover. Align the gasket properly before closing the differential housing. Then place the crown gear in the correct orientation. Use a cross pattern when tightening the screws. Now it's time to install the differential bearings. I'm using this adjustable clamp to securely seat the bearings. Do this on both sides. Once the differential module is fully assembled, make sure that it spins freely. Black grease is the ideal lubrication, but I'll be using a chain lubricant. This is to minimize drag or gunk buildup. Lastly, installing the propeller shaft. Thanks for watching StreetSpecRC.